what y'all are barking at?
Go get him, Junior. Stick him, Junior.
Makes them think they're earning their keep. They're not.
I wonder how many calories it takes for Junior to bark.
So are you cutting that off kind of right around the hip joint?
Yeah, this is the pelvis. This left here. I'm just kind of flaying it off the pelvis. Now there are 100 different ways to process a deer. I've even used a chainsaw before. One of the biggest messes I've ever gotten into in my life.
It went everywhere.
It seemed like a good idea at the time.
Until it wasn't.
I had to take all the oil out, clean the oil tank out. You know, you're lubricating oil on the chainsaw.
Right.
Sterilize the blade. It was a mess. There were bone fragments everywhere. There we go.
Wonder if you could use deer bones to make broth like you could with
Oh, yeah.
cow bones.
Oh, yeah. I do often.
Do you do anything with the ribs?
No. The reason I don't, I've cooked them every way you can. There's so much, the deer fat is in there, and the connective tissue, the cartilage and everything, it just gets like wax. So it's not to me, it's not a pleasant experience.
And since we like to feed dogs from
Sure.
this, it's,
Perfect.
yeah, it's, in my opinion, it's perfect.
Better use.
I mean, we wouldn't feed dogs if we really were in, you know, in times kind of stuff without food available.
Remember, I need to start writing our adventures down in a book. Because by the end of your life, there's no telling how many you're going to have to do.
It's true.
We've already gotten a lot.
Golly, that guy is speeding. Babe, is there anything I can do to get the boat ready? Like
Nope.
plug it in or anything?
Nope,
Okay.
plugged in. I need a new blade on my meat saw.
How about this one?
It's gotten pitiful.
I thought it was a bone saw.
It is a bone saw, but it's called a meat saw.
Yeah, we just come out here, we just sit around, we watch Mike work.